My unforgettable moment is I met Maudy Ayunda, because Maudy Ayunda is my role model because she's so pretty, she's so amazing for me, she has a good vibe, and then when I know I can go to see her, I'm very happy and I'm so excited. And when I on this place, same place with Maudy Ayunda, she look at me, she's smiling for me, she noticed me, like, oh my god, when she's smiling is so beautiful. My unforgettable moment, another unforgettable moment is this year I can come to K-pop concert. I'm very happy when I know I can go, because when 2019 I can see them, and I'm very sad when I know I can go to the concert. But this year I'm so grateful, and I know I can come and I can enjoy the concert, I can vibing, I can see them. Yeah, that's my unforgettable moment. My another moment that was I'm very happy. So I realizing the concert is very awesome. Yes.